So I'm on my way to Tesla to pick up my demo drive. It's gonna be a premium all-wheel drive Model Y, and Tesla's letting me drive it for 24 hours. So I'm gonna take you guys on a 24-hour journey. Here we go. So I don't know where you guys are, but over here in Knoxville, Tennessee, the Tesla out here, their customer service is absolutely outstanding. I'm super helpful when it comes to any questions. As you guys know, I've been on this journey of just learning everything Tesla, just digging deep into the pros, the cons, and everything, and they've been so helpful answering all of my questions. Here we go. Just picked up the 2026 Premium All-Wheel Drive. The guy at Tesla said, please just turn on FSD for at least 1 mile. So cool. I think I'm going to use it for a lot more than 1 mile, but this leather is absolutely outstanding. The quality in this thing is so amazing. Let's see how this thing handles the road. Pulling up to a yellow light, turning red, full stop, turn right on red. Let's go. Okay, so far review on the drive. It's been a few minutes. This thing is extremely quiet, extremely smooth. I mean, when I say smooth, it is smooth, man. FSD is handling everything around me like a champ. As you can see, not using anything right now. Full FSD mode, self-driving. So I just turned it up to Mad Max. Let's see what happens. All right, I'm taking over for a little bit. I just want to feel the power of this thing. This thing is so smooth. It's just an incredible drive, man. It's so quiet. It's got a huge windshield, which is beautiful. These are super windy roads over here where I'm at. So I'm going to put FSD to the test here in a second. Look at the light bar. This thing is outstanding. I think it's beautiful. Let me know what you guys think. But this is the 2026 Premium All-Wheel Drive Model Y. Little bird poop there. I've heard a lot about the build quality. The quality in this thing is absolutely outstanding. So let's take a look at the inside. I mean, the quality of the leather is so amazing. The light bar going across the whole thing is just beautiful. Super nice touch. This suede over here is so nice. Interior quality is outstanding. This thing's beautiful. Everything is just built so well. The heated and cool seats came in clutch. My wife and I went out yesterday. The heated steering wheel is amazing. Let's check out the back. Lots of room. I've got 3 littles. Last night we went out. My kids were watching Netflix in here. You can see all the footprints over here. Gosh, I gotta clean that before I return it. Tons of room in here. This thing is just huge, so beautiful. The leather quality is really good. Lots of leg room. Let's check out the trunk. Oh gosh, that was close. Tons of storage like here on this compartment, this side compartment here as well. Now the fun part. You've got this extended storage down here. Just a lot of storage if you need to store luggages or suitcases, whatever the case is. All right, now let's check out the frunk. I should be able to do this with one hand. This is way bigger than I actually expected it to be. Probably room for like a couple duffel bags or even another big suitcase here. I think there's tons of room. Okay, leaving Walmart now. I gotta have a cappuccino. So let's see what FSD does. So where I'm going to get coffee is a small coffee shop downtown where I live. The parking situation is a bit tricky, so I'm curious to see how FSD handles all of that. Okay, so here I am downtown. These streets are very narrow, small streets. Let's see how it handles it. Whoa, I would not have done this. I'm gonna be completely honest. I would not have done this. This is taking me through like this little alleyway back here. What in the world? Slight fail here? I mean, I could see what it's doing because it's taking me to this back street here, but it could have just took that light. That was strange, but oh, and now we've got a detour. I want to see what it's gonna do. No way. Look at that. That was awesome. So it's going around. So it's coming back here in the full version of FSD. Here's the road closed. Coffee shop is right over there. Is it gonna park? And here we go. It is gonna park. Super close to that freaking truck, but cool. There you have it. Sipping a coffee while FSD does the rest. So I even asked my wife yesterday, I said, she drove the car and I was like, what do you think? And she goes, it's super, super smooth, very quiet, it's powerful, it's fast. She loved the interior. She said it's super premium. Man, she's sold, I'm sold.